Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's an adorable baby stroller cake topper. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So basically for the base of the stroller, I use Rice Krispies, and then I use a cookie cutter, cut it into round shape, and then use half of that, and that was the base of my stroller. And then I covered that with fondant and try to go thicker, on the thicker side for the fondant, just to make sure that we don't see like all the lumps of the Rice Krispies, and you just want that really smooth surface. And then once I did that, I inserted some wooden sticks on there, and I just left it on my counter so that it actually dries a little bit, and then it's gonna be easier to move them after. But if you take them right away, it's just gonna poke right through, and you don't want that. So just leave your sticks into your shape on the counter, laying flat, not standing, laying flat for at least 24 hours before continuing your piece. For the top, as you can see, I use some metal flower, what do you call it? It's metal flower, not rods, but like stems. So because I'm using metal, it's super important that you tell your client that the piece is non-edible. Like that will scrap the whole entire thing in a way. You do not want anybody to eat that because it has metal, okay? Metal could create rust, and you don't want that. So make sure that you tell your client that the pieces that you put on top has a metal. And the reason why I use that, because it's malleable, you can shape it, because you need like 4 pieces, and then you can place your fondant over, and then it gives that nice wave. If you can find another alternative, go ahead, try to find one, but it's really hard to find an actual product that is malleable. But if you do, let me know and comment down below what else I could have used instead of the little metal rod. And then I did the front, obviously, for the handles, and I used some fondant with toothpicks that I inserted. And all the pieces that I use, especially if I'm doing a piece like that, I always mix Tylose or gum tex, they call it, to my fondant, because that will harden my piece. It will dry faster, and it will harden also more than normal fondant would on its own. So like that, my handles, once they were dried, I just stick them on at the front of the stroller, and then you get that piece and it stays like intact. And I added a blanket and also a cute little bow with little wheels. Always make like wheels not the same size, it gives a cute effect. And that was it. So to place it onto your cake, it's super simple. What I do is I use a plastic straw. If you're not comfortable with that, you can use a paper straw or even a wooden dowel. Place it in the middle of your cake, and then you can place your piece over it. So the straw will actually help your piece not sink into your cake, if that makes sense. And then that you can place a little bit also of buttercream, just to make sure that it's like kind of like acting like as a glue. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.